Look at the sky, Lily! It is perfect! Today, we fly!
Stay calm, Sam. Parachuting is fun, but we must be careful. Check your straps.
Everything is ready. Everything is ready.
Let's go!
3,
2,
1! Wow! We are like birds! Look at the houses, they are so small!
Okay, this is amazing. The wind feels so nice.
What is that sound? Is it a normal bird?
Oh no! Look at its beak! It reflects the sun! It is a Mirror-Beak Woodpecker.
It is looking at our parachute. Why is it looking at the gold stars?
These birds love shiny things. It thinks the gold stars are treasure.
Stop! Go away, bird!
Oh no! There is a hole in the fabric! We are losing air!
Lily! We are falling! What do we do?
Don't panic! Look in your backpack. Do we have tape?
No tape! I have a jacket, a water bottle, and a bag of shiny silver candy wrappers. Lily, look! The bird wants this shiny paper.
Sam! Throw the shiny wrappers toward the big hole!
The bird will follow it. Good idea. Get the ball!
Look! The bird is blocking the hole. The air is not escaping anymore.
Haha! The bird is our new patch.
Wow! We are alive! We are on the ground!
That was the craziest flight ever. Look at him. He thinks he is a hero.
Well, he saved us by accident. Thank you, funny bird.
Next time, Lily, we take a train.
Yes, no more shiny parachutes.